So here's my voiceover about the stay at the Hilton San Francisco Airport Bayfront. There's a nice view of the water from our room, the AC. This is something I definitely did not expect at the Hilton. There is a nice coffee/tea maker, which is a good thing. And then there's 2 water bottles, which is very important right now. A lot of plugs, sockets, all that stuff, even the USB-C, yes indeed. However, Europeans, as always, please be prepared. There's a big screen TV, a nice double bed in my case, with a lamp or 2. The drawers are nice and clean, a lot of room to store your things. There's a nice big closet with an ironing board and all the stuff you need. A little safe. And then there's the bathroom. Clean as far as we can notice. Very bright and has all the necessary things you need. A nice little bath and some stuff that stood out to me. Again, keep in mind, this is the Hilton. So that is why I'm being so strict. And yes, those things did not meet my standards for this concept. Now we are done. Let's go down. So that's where we need to be, lobby. That's what's up, man. That's the Pacific Ocean right there. Chilling there right here. San Francisco over there. That's what's up. Oakland.